In this video, I'll show you the top 5 best beginner inflatable kayak selected for their stability, lightweight portability, and simple setup, making every adventure stress-free and enjoyable. Perfect for newcomers wanting comfort, safety, and fun on the water. All the products mentioned are linked in the description below. All right, let's get started. Number 1. Intex 68307 EP Inflatable Kayak. The Intex 68307 EP Explorer K2 Inflatable Kayak is a popular choice for beginners and casual paddlers who want an affordable, fun, and easy way to enjoy the water. Designed for lakes and mild rivers, this two-person kayak offers a sporty feel with a bright yellow color that improves visibility and safety. One of its biggest advantages is portability. The lightweight construction, combined with Boston valves, allows for quick inflation and deflation in just a few minutes. Everything packs neatly into the included carrying bag, making it ideal for road trips, vacations, or spontaneous weekend adventures. In terms of stability, the Explorer K2 performs well for recreational use. Its inflatable I-beam floor and high-buoyancy side chambers provide a steady and balanced ride, even for new paddlers. The low-profile deck helps reduce wind resistance, while the removable skag improves straight-line tracking, making paddling smoother and less tiring. Comfort is another strong point, as the kayak includes 2 inflatable seats with supportive backrests that can be adjusted for better posture. With a 400-pound weight capacity, it comfortably accommodates 2 adults along with some gear.
Number 2. Beyond MARINA Inflatable Kayak. The Beyond MARINA Inflatable Kayak, also known as the Pathfinder, stands out for its premium construction and impressive durability. Built with advanced drop-stitch technology across its tri-chamber design, this kayak offers rigidity and toughness that closely resemble a hardshell kayak. This makes it a reliable option for paddlers who want to explore more challenging waterways without worrying about punctures or excessive flex. Despite being marketed as a solo kayak, its full-size dimensions provide generous space, making it comfortable for extended trips or even accommodating a second passenger for short outings. With a weight capacity of 352 pounds, it easily supports an adult paddler along with fishing gear or camping essentials. Setup is fast and convenient, as the included dual-action hand pump inflates the kayak in under 5 minutes. On the water, the Pathfinder feels stable and confident thanks to its drop-stitch bottom and side chambers, which enhance balance and tracking.
Number 3. GYMAX 507 Lbs Inflatable Kayak. The GYMAX 507 Lbs Inflatable Kayak is a heavy-duty tandem kayak designed for paddlers who want strength, space, and versatility. Constructed from reinforced laminated PVC, this kayak is both puncture-resistant and water-resistant, ensuring long-term durability even with frequent use. Its impressive 507-pound weight capacity allows it to comfortably accommodate 2 adults, along with additional gear, making it suitable for fishing, touring, or relaxed recreational paddling. Measuring 12.5 feet in length, the kayak provides ample legroom and stability, while the 3 independent air chambers enhance safety and make inflation and deflation quick and efficient. Comfort is clearly prioritized, as the kayak includes 2 padded EVA seats with supportive backrests and adjustable footrests. These features help reduce fatigue during longer paddling sessions and allow users to customize seating positions. Despite its sturdy build, the kayak remains relatively portable at around 39 pounds.
Number 4. VEVOR 700 pounds Inflatable Kayak. The VEVOR 700 pounds Inflatable Kayak is built for paddlers who want maximum space, comfort, and load capacity. With an impressive 700-pound weight limit, this kayak easily fits 2 adults and even a large dog, making it ideal for family outings or fishing trips. Measuring over 14 feet long and nearly 3.5 feet wide, it offers a roomy and stable platform that feels secure on calm lakes and gentle rivers. The 3-chamber safety design, combined with thick PVC material and protective bumpers, ensures durability and peace of mind while navigating shallow or obstacle-filled waters. Comfort is a major strength, as the kayak features padded EVA seats with adjustable backrests and footrests that support relaxed paddling. The high-strength drop-stitch PVC floor adds rigidity, improving balance and overall performance. Quick drain holes help keep the cockpit dry, enhancing comfort during longer trips. The kayak is adventure-ready right out of the box, including lightweight paddles, a large tracking fin for improved steering, and a dual-action pump for fast setup and pack-down.
Number 5. Advanced Ultralite Inflatable Kayak. The Advanced Ultralite Inflatable Kayak is designed for solo paddlers who prioritize portability without sacrificing performance. Weighing just 17.5 pounds, this kayak is incredibly easy to carry, transport, and store, making it perfect for travelers, apartment dwellers, or anyone with limited storage space. When folded, it packs down to a compact size, allowing it to fit easily in a car trunk or closet. Despite its lightweight design, the kayak offers impressive stability thanks to its 32-inch width, which helps beginners feel confident on the water while still appealing to experienced paddlers. Constructed from high-quality, puncture-resistant materials, the Advanced Frame Ultralite is built to withstand regular use and minor abrasions. It is designed to accommodate paddlers up to 6 feet 2 inches, offering an ergonomic seating position that supports comfortable, extended paddling sessions. With a maximum weight capacity of 225 pounds, it's best suited for solo day trips and light gear rather than heavy loads. And that wraps up the top 5 best beginner inflatable kayak. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe to The Ultimate Review, and turn on notifications so you never miss new content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.